In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label your emails in Gmail. Labeling an email before you send it is a simple habit that can save you a lot of time later. Think of labels as flexible tags you can attach to messages, so they're easier to find and group. Unlike folders, you can apply more than one label to a single email, which makes organization more powerful and less rigid. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and clicking Compose to bring up a new message window. This is the small box where you write your email. Along the bottom of that window, you'll see a row of icons for things like formatting text, attaching files, and inserting emojis. On the far right of that toolbar is a vertical three-dot icon. That icon is called More Options. If your window is narrow and you don't see it, try expanding the Compose window or making your browser a bit wider so the full toolbar appears. Click the three dots to open the menu. In that list, look for the option labeled Label. Go ahead and click it. Gmail will show you your available labels so you can choose the one that fits your message. You can select one label or multiple labels if the email belongs in more than one category. Selecting it attaches the label to the draft immediately, and when you send the message, it will show up under that label in your account, including in sent with the label already applied. That way, future replies in the conversation will be easy to locate from the label view. A few quick notes to make this smoother. You'll be choosing from labels that already exist in your Gmail. If you don't see the perfect label, that's okay. You can always create or adjust labels later from your Gmail settings or the label list on the left sidebar, then use this same method the next time you compose. Keep label names short and consistent so they're easy to scan. Many people use labels for projects, clients, or priority levels, and applying them before sending ensures the thread is organized from the start. Once you've attached the right label, finish writing your email as usual and click Send. That's all there is to it. Compose your message, open, More Options, choose Label, and select the label that fits. With this small step, your email will be neatly organized the moment it leaves your outbox, making follow-up and retrieval much easier.